Jim, how you guys doing, man? How you guys doing? We're back from the show today, man. I am a little bit late, but we're back. We're back. Happy Monday to you all. Wait a couple of minutes and we'll start the show. Okay. So hope you guys doing okay. It's been an interesting week. Very weird things going on right now in the markets. Things do get very strange. Very strange. Um, so we'll see. Um, Let me check something real quick. We'll start in a bit, but just give me a second here, and we'll start the show. Let me. I want to check something real quick. Give me 1 second. Turtle. Did something happen? Or am I tripping? Leaderboard. What do you mean? Did it go away or something? Wow. This number is hard to maintain this thing, man. It's crazy. All right. Yeah, man. Hope you guys doing all right, man. Like I said, we're just gonna wait a couple of minutes. Then we'll start the show in a second, okay? Um, get a boost. Oh wait, what am I doing? Interesting. Hope you guys doing okay, man. Happy Monday to you, amazing people out here, man. Hope you guys doing all right. Can't complain. It's a great day as always, always. Beautiful Monday today. So yeah. All right. I want to check something real quick. Give me a second. Where'd you go? All right. Uh, yeah, welcome. Gonna be here for like an hour. Like I said, I'm here every single day doing this show for you guys. But yeah, man, the markets been looking very interesting lately. It actually started on Friday, I think, and I'm seeing numbers I've never seen before. I think ETH broke all time high. I think I'm not even checking. I think the reason why I'm not checking the markets is because one second. Oh, what did I see? Shout out to what is grind. He hits him 10. Libor divide 12K and sits above people. Divide damn 2 million. On top of that, he's OG told him. OG. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Uh Referral. Okay. Yeah, man. So I'm just here chilling like a villain. Chilling like a villain. Um I think the market's looking very interesting. Like I said before, I'm very interested in seeing where we go from here. I'm very interested in seeing where we go from here. Things are looking very juicy, man. Very juicy. I am excited at the same time, and we're just we're just chilling, man, to find out what happens, man. All right, let me share my screen real quick. Welcome to the Crypto Hour with Cool Crypto. It is me. I'm here every single day, give you guys the headlines, the market news, and everything that's to do with crypto when it comes to just crypto in general. All right. Let me share my screen. Let's take a look at this real quick. My brain. I'm trying to think right now. Okay, so let me open a coin market cap and share my screen. Yeah, I like doing the live videos, man. Just I don't know. I like live. I like going live because it's just more me. It's more something I would do. It just fits what I like to do, man. So that's why I like going live, man. I'm a big fan of that. Let me share my screen. Give me a second. Oh, Crucifixio, what's up, man? It's always sharing the space. I appreciate you, fam. Always here sharing the stream. I appreciate you always, man. That's pretty cool. That you're always here every single day. Crucifixio, big salute to you. Salute. Legend, how you doing? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Share screen. Mm, share screen right here. Um, there we go. Okay. All right, you guys should see me now. You guys should be good to go. You should be good to go now. Mm. So we got Bitcoin at 124,000. So we I think Bitcoin touched 127. I think it wicked. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it did. Let me double check real quick, man. I thought I saw people going nuts earlier today, talking about this. Um, Bitcoin touching. I think it did, right? Um, Maybe I'm wrong. No, I think it touched 126 126,060. Well, now it's at 124. So I think, is it overheated to me? I think so. I think it's overheated. Yeah. So Bitcoin as of right now is 124,000, up 9% past 7 days, up one past 24 hours. You got Ethereum at 4,690, up 3% in the past 24 hours, up 11% past 7 days. XRP is sideways a little bit, up 3%, 7 day, up 0.8, 24 hours. BNB, Jesus Christ, look at BNB. Woo! Wow. BNB's 100. BNB is 1,222. That's insane to me, man. It's going nuts. All 5%, up 18% about 7 days. We got Solana up 2%, 24 hours, up 9% past 7 days. We got Dogecoin up 13, 7 day. Tron up 2, Cardano up 8, 7 day. Hyperliquid up 3, Chainlink up 7, doing pretty well. Polkadot up 10, 7 days. Mantle, they're pumping up Mantle, man. I am shocked by this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because if I had known, I should be Mantle, right? But I am shocked how Mantle is doing, and I think I think Mantle Network might be it's the layer two for Bybit. I think so. I think Bybit Exchange is behind Mantle. That could be the reason, because I'm like, I don't know who uses Mantle. I don't know, man, but it's popping up, man. Up 25% past 7 days, man. That's insane. Yeah, man. So the market's looking good so far. Let's take a look at other stuff here that will jump into headlines in a second. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. This is so strict. Like I said before, this is the strangest market I've ever seen in my life, because Bitcoin breaking all-time high, ETH close all-time high, but not all tokens are popping up like this. Even with all the madness, we are still at neutral. That's, to me, that's insane to me, man. We're still at neutral on the fear and greed index. It makes no freaking sense. We've been at neutral for weeks and weeks now. Even though we've had very, very good price action, and some days we have not so good price action. Like we just been ranging, but ranging up in a weird way. But not all tokens are doing this, right? Only specific projects are doing well like this. I mean, it's crazy. Fair Greed Index at 59 neutral, and ETH, a Bitcoin, Solana, BNB close to all-time high. Well, guys, wait. I'm not saying we can't go lower. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, when it's all said and done, we're going a lot higher. Yeah, because I mean, these markets are moving. Not all projects are moving up. The big dogs are moving, but Fingrid Index, people are still like on shore, right? So that's pretty crazy. Yeah, the volume is still pretty good. Friday, actually, this weekend's volume, trading volume, the number, the amount of buys and shares, the trading volume. Excuse me. Oh boy, honey. The trading volume on crypto is actually pretty good, man, for a weekday. On the weekend was actually spectacular. I think we hit. Trading volume in the past 24 hours on the weekend was 222 billion. That's the weekend. That's not supposed to happen. So things are straight. Like I said, markets is so weird. I don't even know what to think anymore, man. All I know is just stay active, be in here, just keep clicking, keep grinding, man. That's all I can tell you. But things are really nuts, man. Are really, really crazy out here, man. Let's see. Market cap. So the entire crypto market cap is 4.28 trillion. I think the highest I ever saw was 4.4 trillion. So we're pretty close to all-time high for the entire market cap together. So no things are looking good. I think it's in the short term, right? But like I said, I get why people are so uncertain because this market is doing weird things, man. Very, very strange things. Crucifixus said, "Hey Jim, the Coinbase app is ranked." Yes, yeah, look at that. Crucifixio dropped the alpha. Yeah, thanks, bro. The Coinbase app is the Coinbase app is how I know if American retail is buying crypto, right? Crucifixio just messaged in the group chat says the stream chat the Coinbase app is ranked around 260 now. It's rallied to around 137 some weeks back. What do you think? Nah, it's still people. Americans are not buying crypto, yes, and that's the reason why I'm not as. It's not necessarily the time to buy. It's not necessarily the time to sell. It's very strange. The market is so weird, very very strange right now. But I would say, um, the Coinbase app is an indicator that'll tell you where the market is headed. But as of right now, it's neutral, even though things are popping up. So when you start seeing the Coinbase ranking in Apple Store, when that ranking in Apple Store starts to climb up, then yeah, the highest rank I've seen the Coinbase app in recent history, it hit number 20. This was last year when Bitcoin was around the Bitcoin halving. I think when it broke all-time high around the halving, that's when the Coinbase ranking hit number 20, right? Um then it crashed. Bitcoin crashed to it went from 100 to 75K, and we went like a mini bear market for like 3 months. So right now it's very weird. It's very very strange. It's difficult to tell where the market is going because every time I see these traders tell you, "Oh, we're going lower," market goes up like crazy. When the traders tell you, "Oh, we're going higher, much higher," your markets come down. So it's hard to tell. It really really is. So I'm playing it both ways right now, man. I'm in and I'm out. I'm playing it both ways. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, let me go back to the coin market cap real quick. Yeah, so Fair Grid Index is currently at neutral. So the market is basically in the middle. We're not necessarily bullish. We're not necessarily bearish. We're in the middle based on the Fair and Grid Index. Um, the ETFs. This is, oh my god! Look at this. Look at this stuff right here. Look at that. October 2nd. So 3 days ago. No, 2 days ago, right? Is that it? What's this date? So 3 days ago, actually, 4 days ago. Because we had a weekend. I think the weekend we don't get a lot of flows on the weekend, right? 4 days ago, we had a $1.2 billion go into the crypto ETFs. So $1.2 billion inflows into crypto ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's insane. So, like I said before, like big money bags are buying this thing, and they just keep accumulating, man. They're buying, yes. So as of right now, the breakdown. This is 2 days ago. So we've had positive inflows from September 28th. So basically 28, 29, 30, and then 6 days. So 9 straight days of inflows on ETFs. 9 straight days. So, but based on the history we've seen in the past, whenever there's an inflow, we always get like an outflow, and the inflow and outflow. Right now, um we've had like 9 straight days of inflow, and mostly goes into Bitcoin. 2 days ago, there was $985 billion go into Bitcoin, and Ethereum had 233 million. So when we're not in alt season, Bitcoin is still dominating right now. It's going to be like this for a while, guys. So don't let anyone tell you that we're in alt season. No, we're not in alt season. I've been saying this for a while now, and we'll talk about that in a second. So basically, the inflows of ETFs in the crypto ETFs got to, I think, the highest ever, right? Yeah. I think it's a recent history. Let me look at all. What was this? Holy shit. No, 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 no. Okay. I spoke too soon. The highest inflows of ETFs ever in the history of crypto was happened June 30th. Oh my god. On June 30, there was $11 billion went to $11 billion inflow on June 30th. So 6.1 billion went to Bitcoin, 4.8 billion went to Ethereum. Jesus Christ. And this was on July 30. Wow. So yeah, we're not even anywhere near the highest inflow. That's insane. Absolutely insane. So as of right now, Bitcoin is taking most of the inflows for the ETFs, right? But yeah, man, like I said, I don't know. This to me right here. This is where I would die on right here. This is what will tell me if you guys are worth a lot more. Like, I mean, a lot more. Whenever you see the fear and greed index, I'm saying again, this information here is for people that want to sell or want to buy. As of right now, I mean, based on the fear and greed index, you're buying alts right now is not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. Of course, it's still risky, right? But crypto dominance right now, Bitcoin is still above 50%. Right now, it's at 58.1% dominance, which means the entire market cap of crypto. Bitcoin has 58%. We will never see alt season until Bitcoin dominance drops below, I'll say a range on the low end, any from 30% dominance for Bitcoin. On the high end for alt season will be like 45%. 47% will be like, so for 30% to 47%. 30% to 47% is the range for alt season. If we see Bitcoin dominance in that range, we're in alt season. We are hot into alt season. At that point, you're not buying anything, you're selling. So as of right now, could you buy alt? Hell yeah, because that one popped off, especially if you're buying the big caps or if you buy some alts that you think you like. Not There's nothing wrong with that, because I mean, I'm looking at these numbers right here, man. I'm like, yeah, Bitcoin dominance is killing it, man. Bitcoin dominance is 58.1%. Ethereum dominance is 13.2%, and everything else outside Bitcoin and ETH is 28.6%. So we have a long way to go, guys. A long way to go when it comes to all season. And I like this show because I'm giving you the information that a lot of people don't even tell you. Right now, you could buy some alts, no problem. Would I be buying Bitcoin right now? Probably not. Bitcoin is at 58 dominance. That is too high. So you want to make the most money, and the most upside, of course, the most downside too. Of course, downside risk is heavy, which means upside risk is also heavy. So dominance is too high. No all season until this dominance comes back a lot lower. All right, let me check the chat again, make sure I didn't miss anyone's messages. No, good. All right, so let me go back. Let's jump into headlines real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me open up. The website I use is called cryptopanic.com. That's the website I use. I freaking love that site because it has a lot of information, man. Information is power. Information is 100% power. Um, mm, all right. Uh, do we? Oh, let me give me a second. Let me share my screen real quick. Give me a second, guys. Share screen. All right. Share screen. Okay. Kyoto Panic. Yep. All right. We should be good now. We should. I'm just checking. Yes, perfect. All right, we jump in the segment. We have about like 30 minutes, 30 minutes to cover the headlines real quick and we'll end the show. Like I said, guys, thank you for all your support. I'm here every single day, Monday through Monday. It's basically 7 days a week. I have a couple of shows kind of spread out, but this is a good one. This is doing the weekday. I like the weekday shows because it's more educational when it comes to like what to do, how to sell, when to sell, and kind of gives you information about tokens in general and what institutions are doing with their money, stuff like that. That kind of information is very important, man. So, all right, let's start from the headlines here. The top one is 30 minutes ago. Crypto whales are betting big this October or October. October. I mean, so far, I mean, we have been up, but I do remember history. October, if it starts up green, it ends in red. October starts in green and ends in red. So, I mean, I guess that one, it could go either way, right? What else? What else? What else? Eliza Labs founder on why AI agents shouldn't manage your money yet. That day is coming. That day is coming when you're gonna have AI agents basically doing all your trading for you, man. India and Nigeria. This headline interesting. India and Nigeria are making crypto moves, but in different directions. Huh? What directions are they going? That's interesting. We do have a large audience from Nigeria, man. So and also from India too. So it might help to talk about this. India and Nigeria are making major moves, but in different directions. Hmm. Uh, Government officials from India and Nigeria are making statements on crypto today, but they took surprisingly different directions. Both explicitly acknowledge pros and cons, yet their speeches have many key differences. India's Minister of Commerce and industry focus industry focused on the negatives of Web3, although he alluded to a CBDC. What? Nigeria, meanwhile, is forming a community to profitably engage with this risky yet lucrative industry. So basically, Nigerian government seems to be more bullish, while Indian governments are less bullish. But not both, every country. Now I'm talking about every country is going to go into crypto. It's not. It's a fact, right? It's not even. This is not. The days of garbage talk with crypto is over, right? This industry is over 4.2 trillion. Is the industry that the richest companies in the world are basically starting to jump in. So, oh, I got to try this computer before it dies. This is an industry that's being really really bullish, right? And 1 second. Yeah, am I doing wrong? Give me a second. I'm trying to plug this computer in, but I can't. What the hell? There we go. Yeah. So all countries are going to adopt crypto or blockchain tech. Yeah, because the America's in its. A lot of countries are already in it, but many more countries are going to jump in. It's just the tech is just too. You can't compare it to any other financial arm because the blockchain tech allows for lightning speed when it comes to money transfer. Yeah. Bitcoin's 6-year low in reserves sparks hope. Bitcoin rally fueled by perfect macro storm. Ethereum, Dogecoin, BNB surge. Yes. Joe Rogan hears about Bitcoin for the first time. Wow. Oh my God. Joe Rogan heard about Bitcoin for the first time in 2011 when it was $10. Jesus. Woo. Damn. Joe Rogan heard about Bitcoin for 2011 at $10. If he bought 1,000 Bitcoin back then and he didn't sell, 1,000 Bitcoin, right? 1,000 Bitcoin back then would have cost him $10,000. Okay, 1,000 Bitcoin back then in 2011, 1,000 Bitcoin. Jesus Christ, 1,000 Bitcoin today is $4.8 million, right? Zero, yeah, from $10,000 to 4.8 million. Yeah, man, that's insane to me. You imagine you guys hearing about Bitcoin from $10. Do you know how insane that is? All you have to do just buy 10. If you bought 10, that would have been 100 bucks. 10 Bitcoin. How much 10 Bitcoin? 10 Bitcoin is 10 Bitcoin is $1.2 million. $100 to 1.2 million. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what to tell you guys, man. That's fucking nuts, man. Absolutely insane. Uniswap Aave lead DeFi fee rebound to $600 million as protocols embrace buybacks and fundamentals. Okay, cool. That's cool. Bullish. Owning Bitcoin not a home is the real American dream. That might be correct. I mean, I don't. I mean, it might be correct. I guess it depends how many you own. It depends when you buy, right? Yeah. Bitcoin makes new all-time highs for the second time today. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so see, yeah, it broke 127,000. Yeah, it like touches it, right? But I think it's gonna. I mean, we're overbought, man. Yeah, I mean, in the short term, I could check the charts, but I don't even need to check. I know we're overbought. Like we're overbought. I expect a pullback. We probably gonna go back to like maybe 119 or 115, something like that. Like we are overbought. We surely are. What else? What else? What else? Tom Lee's Bitmine in immersion expands crypto treasury holding, now holds $13 billion worth of Ethereum. Damn, that's insane. So you guys have to remember, like you're buying this much ETH, and I'm sure they start buying at the all-time high, right? Yeah, ETH touched 4,700 today. I think it started buying at like three K or 3.5 or something like that. So he's up on his money. And remember, these guys, these big money bags, they have basically unlimited cash, man, because they could borrow money at a very low interest rate and use that money to buy hard assets. So they're making money. It's insane. It's easy, very very easy for them. Absolutely nuts. Bitcoin mining stocks jumped 25% on shocking production boost. Yeah, Bitcoin mining stocks do very well, of course. As Bitcoin prices go up, the mining companies stocks go up. But difficulties to mine Bitcoin does go up, which means costs do go up, which means Bitcoin miners are going to sell. They need to sell Bitcoin to cover costs, unless I think that's a new thing. I think these Bitcoin miners are trying to figure out now, which is they don't want to sell Bitcoin anymore to cover costs. They might stop borrowing against Bitcoin so they don't have to sell the Bitcoin anymore. That's what I think is probably going to happen, which means much, much lower sell pressure, 100%. Zcash, 240% gain in price. What the hell? 800% gain in mind share in September. I don't know why in the world this privacy OG token was popping off, but Zcash went nuts, man. I'm not even sure why. I don't know why. It just went crazy, man. Yeah. All right. What else? What else? What else? Where did I go? All right, cool. Blah, 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 blah. Mm, the Genius Act, the Genius Act. That's the stablecoin bill that the U.S. government passed, or the crypto bill the U.S. government passed recently. The Genius Act banned yield on stablecoins, but banks are still losing against the competition. Okay. Bitcoin breaks 125 grand, record as the fastest. Layer 2 Bitcoin hype explodes. Nearly 22 million. More massive whales buying. What? Okay. Elon knew exactly what he was doing about what? I mean, about crypto? Well, I mean, they haven't sold their Bitcoin or ETH or Doge or Doge. No, they're still holding. Analyst says fun period for altcoins about to begin. Do you know what's funny about this? Analysts always say, "Oh yeah, the fun's about to begin." They said the exact same thing a couple weeks ago, and they said the exact same thing late last year. They said the exact same thing summer of last year. It's very, very simple. Be your own judge. Don't listen to anyone. Don't let anyone tell you if we're bullish or not, right? And I showed you guys already. The best way to figure out, just go look at what the fear. Look at the Bitcoin dominance. There you go. Bitcoin dominance, fair and greed index. Those are two indicators that will kind of tell you where we're going. What's the temperature of the markets right now? Because we do have a long way to go, guys. Bitcoin is dominating at 58.2% dominance. There is zero chance of an altcoin season if Bitcoin holds a dominance that high. We cannot have alt season until Bitcoin dominance drop much, much, much lower. Yeah. So I don't like this stuff like talking about what was it? Analyst says fun period is coming for altcoins. Altcoin season begins soon, guys. No, I'm not saying it can't start, right? What I'm saying is it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to listen to people. Be your own alpha. You have to know what's going on. Yeah. What else? What else? What else? Bitcoin broke all-time high. Yeah. Uh, yeah, it's right here. This is what I was saying earlier, man, about how Bitcoin dominance is growing. Bitcoin prices are going crazy, but the average retail individual, they're not buying Bitcoin. They're not buying crypto right now, man. Bitcoin hits new all-time high, while retail engagement sleeps. Retail is doing this. I mean, not me, not you, right? I'm not crypto retail. The regular retail is like you're just sleeping. I know why. They don't have money to buy, man. That's why. They're not buying crypto right now. It doesn't work like that. Even if Bitcoin touched all-time high, it makes no sense because most people don't have money to buy, man. So it doesn't matter. Bitcoin could be 250K. If retail doesn't have money, they're not coming to crypto to buy nothing. Yeah. So with all these whatever Bitcoin popping off like this, retail they're not here. They're not fucking here, man. Real estate giant open door to accept Bitcoin and crypto for home buying. Yeah, okay. Why would you go buy? Maybe if you sell some crappy some garbage meme coins, if you sell some crappy meme coins, then you could use that to buy your house. Yeah. But yeah, don't go sell your Bitcoin to go buy a house, man. Nah, man. Nah. This thing is cooking. The price. I mean, of course, I do expect the drawdown. Yeah, it's overbought. It's overbought, guys. In my opinion, it feels like whales are looking for exit liquidity. They will push the market up as high as possible to draw more interest over time and dump on everyone. That's what I think is trying to happen right now. Yeah, man. MetaMask reveals $30 million reward program ahead of token drop. I didn't hear about this one. Yeah, MetaMask. They want to launch a like it's like, for example, on Solana. Solana has Solana has what the wallets, right? Phantom, a couple of projects there. They're probably going to launch a token in the future, but it's going to be difficult to. I don't know. It's interesting though because MetaMask has a lot. We're talking about millions of users. So even when or if or when MetaMask does drop a token or airdrop, I don't even know how they're going to uh, uh, um, uh, uh, send out the airdrop, right? Share it. I don't want to share it. We're very interested to see how they do that. 74% of Polymarket bettors predict U.S. government shutdown will last past October. Ooh, I believe so too. I believe so. This is one of the worst political environments I've ever seen. Even though I don't watch the news, I'm not really big in politics. I care less. But just from what I've seen from the outside in, it looks like it's very toxic. It looks like government shutdown might probably going to go into, because what's weird is the rise in crypto right now is fueled by the incompetence of the government. Is fueled by distrust in governments and distrust in currencies. So it's boosting the crypto markets, because before the crypto market, before the government shut down, the markets wasn't really doing much. And next you know, they shut the government down. Next day, we're off to the races, man. So what does that mean? It just feels like I said, whales are buying for certain reasons. I don't know, but I do feel like an exit liquidity situation is about to happen. And if that does, Bitcoin might go a little bit higher and crash, man, like a big amount within a short period of time. But we'll see. What else? What else? Mm, mm. Oh, jeez. All right. Let me stop. Grayscale adds staking rewards to Ethereum and Solana ETFs in major industry first. This is one of the biggest news. Like I said, a lot of people don't get it. A lot of institutions, they like to get yield on their money, which is when they deposit their money, they want to get returns, not in price, but in rewards. So if they deposit $1 billion into a protocol, they want to make 10%, right? That's exactly what this is right here. Whenever these big money bags deposit money into an ETF, they want to leave that money in the ETFs, but at the same time earning yield. So you deposit larger money into ETFs and you stake it, and you're getting paid 3, 4, 5, 6%. If you get paid that much on a $1 billion deposit, you've made it. You're done. You're good to go, man. Yeah. So it's gonna be nuts, man. It's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be nuts to see. Oh, stretch to see how this stuff plays out. But yeah, man. It's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be nuts. All right. Let me see. Feels exactly like 999. Man, I don't know, man. We'll see. I know it does. I won't lie, it does a little bit. We'll guess that article in a second. Solana expands $525 million treasury ahead of potential $600 rally. Okay, yeah, these things are just popping up left and right. Feels exactly like 1999. Billionaire Paul Tudor Jones says stocks are paid prime for massive price appreciation. Jesus Christ. If the stocks do do have a massive price appreciation, what happens to crypto? So all I can tell you is this, man. I don't know, man. Just stay active. Just open your eyes and stay active. That's my advice for you guys. I can't tell you what to do, what to buy, and all that stuff, but I can tell you keep your eyes open. We got King in the house. Okay, Inge King. Mainnet Arc, Jim, what's up, bro? What's going on? And Monsieur, what's up? Why? Which is why I have been tweeting BTC to zero. Yeah, bro. Yeah, but the problem is, for Bitcoin to dominate to drop more, um, okay, for example, now there's a lot of hype right now on Bitcoin saying Bitcoin is going to 500K or 250K. Whales still believe they could make more money from Bitcoin than anything else, as long as they believe this. Bitcoin dominance will just keep going up. When they don't believe this as much, that's when that rotation starts. And we saw that rotation into ETH, man, a couple weeks ago. There was a time when the inflows into ETH ETFs were almost 3 times worth of the Bitcoin ETF inflow. I think I remember one time when there was like 400 million inflows into Ethereum ETF, but there was 80 million dollars outflow of the Bitcoin ETF. So um the inflows on ETH ETFs were 4 times bigger than actually there was inflows on ETH and outflows on Bitcoin. But we need that dominance to go down, and we need people to lose hope that they're gonna make money on Bitcoin. Uh, yeah. So right now is a crazy time. Right now, I don't know where we go from here, but man, I don't even know, man. It's so strange because it's saying a massive stock rally. If the stock market goes up, crypto does go up, right? And but you got to be able to identify the signals, identify when to sell, because you don't want to be in a position where you don't sell when you should have, and have to wait another 2, 3, 4 years to break even or to sell again. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting though, very very interesting. What else? What else? What else? What else? Milestone. Milestone ETF staking unlocks comes as product flow surges. Yeah, you guys saw the inflow of the ETF. So imagine staking that much. So it's about to get crazy because you have sports ETFs now. You don't have I mean, they have futures too, right? So these big money bags have to buy the assets. You have to buy it. They can do some kind of sophisticated trading options, something futures, perp stuff. No, with sports ETFs, you have to buy it. Yeah, and if this buying pressure, I don't know how long this buying pressure goes on for, but I think for a in the my long term view is very bullish, man. As long as nothing crazy happens, the wars or stuff like that. Even wars could be bullish for crypto, man. Because if there's a war, people don't want to hold cash. They're afraid they might get locked up and lose money. They just move everything into crypto, man. Yeah, man. We're at the end of the show, man. Holy shit, time flies. What else? What else? Athena whales accumulate 2.8 million tokens. RSI suggests possible rebound. Elon Musk SCIC video give me to Twitter. Consensus introduces token economy with MetaMask rewards. Interesting. Very interesting. Kathy Wood, that's the big money bag from Wall Street, from Arc Innovation. Kathy Wood's ARC bets on tokenization with a stake in BlackRock backed securities. Yeah, RWA is going to be big. massively big. We're talking about tokenization of everything, right? And especially tokenization of Web2 finance is going to also big. So having multiple stocks, Web2 companies trading on the blockchain. They're trading on exchanges, which I think a couple of exchanges are already doing this. So this is crazy, man. I mean, there's a lot of this. All these headlines is all bullish, man. Massive bullish headlines here. That's why I'm not bearish because I'm reading the headlines to you guys, right? I'm seeing what's about to happen, what's happening, and based on everything that I'm reading so far, markets is bullish. I'm not saying we can't go lower. No, what I'm saying is just buckle up for the ride, man. It could be a short ride, it could be a longer ride, but who knows? As long as you're here, you're good to go. What a crazy time right now, man. Bitwise CIO shares. BYCI Bit I can't even read, man. Bitwise's chief investment officer shares $1 trillion prediction for Bitcoin funds. 100%. Oh yeah. When countries and states and big money bags and public people and retirement funds start to allocate to Bitcoin, forget it. Over $1 trillion. Send it with haste. It's going to happen. It's guaranteed going to happen. It will just take some time. It's going to happen. It will take some time. Yeah. Crypto hedge fund predicts Ethereum next revolution phase. If liquidity keeps rising, ETH to reach $10,000. ETH at 10K. That's cool. A 10K ETH for me. What does that mean? That's good. A 10K ETH will mean all coins are they will pop off. Like I don't see a world of a 10K ETH and don't see BNB popping off, Solana popping off, AVAX, Polkadot, Chainlink, Hedera, Ondo Finance, RWA sector, AI sector, anything pegged to ETH goes crazy if we see a 10K ETH, man. Yeah. U.S. federal government shutdown stalls crypto progress as SEC goes dark. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't talk about this earlier. I do live in the U.S. I'm American. I'm Nigerian. I'm both. I claim both. Born in the U.S. Raised in Nigeria. So I'm both. Um, U.S. is interesting. Very interesting. U.S. government shut down right now. They shut down and if you are a government employee, you don't get paid. I think we day number 5 or day number 4, number 4 or 5. Government shutdown means if you work for the government, you don't get paid. So anyone working for the government right now is not getting paid, and this thing could last 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, man. I think they want to drag this thing scorched earth. That's what they want to do. But like I said before, unfortunately, the people will suffer. That's how this game is played. Politicians will use regular people as pawns, man, and they the ones that will suffer. Not the politicians, but almost all politicians are multimillionaires, man. They're not the ones that will suffer. All right, guys, I think we should end here. I don't think there's anything else popping off. Michael Saylor hasn't been able to sell any STRC through his ATM. Okay, I don't know what that is. Bitcoin new highs or Bitcoin search interest, says a brown market. Isn't that crazy? I just said this. I'm gonna read this again. This is just nuts to me. Bitcoin hits new all-time high, but Google search interest stays at bear market levels. Oh my God, guys, we're going. Bitcoin, guys, we're going to open our eyes and Bitcoin is at 250K. I'm telling you. Because how could Bitcoin be at all-time high, but Google interest is at bear market levels? That is absolutely freaking insane. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys, man, how the market is weird. I've been saying this for a while, right? The market is strange. I don't even know, man. Can I tweet this? This is a very good tweet, man. Let me see. I'm gonna tweet this, man. Let me see. This just doesn't make any sense. Let me see. Can I tweet that? Yeah. I'm gonna tweet this. This makes no sense. I'm coming. Let me post this real quick because I don't understand how Bitcoin could be basically at all-time high and the market is doing nothing. How does that make any sense? How does that make any sense? That make no sense. All right, let me see. No. That just doesn't make any sense, man. Absolutely insane to me. Where's my Twitter? So guys, we're going a lot higher. I mean, like I said, you have to kind of listen to what I'm saying. The markets are very strange sometimes, where sometimes big money bags, whales, mega whales are trying to push up the markets. They need exit liquidity. They want retail to jump in and start causing a hysteria, which will drive the price of Bitcoin up. Like, so let me Bitcoin hits the all-time highs while Google search interest stays at bear market levels. What the hell is going on? Uh, what the hell? What the hell is going on? How could it be a bear market level for Google searches? And you, I don't even know. So what happens when we at all-time high on Google searches? How high will Bitcoin price be then? Things about to get crazy, man. I swear. Let me tag this guys, man. This dude's Dave and Landy and Dave, Landy, and these are my people from our show. What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, guys, I just enjoy the vibe, man. Enjoy the vibe. Keep applying while you're still early. With the first 100K accepted into those instructions. All right. What else? So guys, it's 7:02. Let me end this stuff. I just want you guys to understand something. I'm not saying the market can go lower. What I'm saying is just keep your eyes open. Silence is in the house. What's up? You change the PFP? I'm checking the chat real quick. Monsieur says it's pure manipulation by BlackRock and their general. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, it's very likely they could crash this stuff. Silence says, but Bernilo is a new InfoFi. I don't struggle to create content again. Super early, I ranked the #1 creator today. Wow, also earning Worlds daily. If you are, oh wow, yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna take a look at it, man. Let me take a screenshot of this. Silence. Thank you for the offer, bro. Information is power. Don't forget that. What else? Monsieur says Ross Volts is about to slash federal. Yeah. So I don't know. Like I said, this market is very strange, man. Because when they cut rates, we normally crash, then we go crazy after that, right? So I don't know. I expect next year to be nuts, to be absolutely crazy, because there will be FOMO into crypto in and then go to balance. I engage your tweet, engage back. Yeah, man. So guys, it's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy. But just stay active. Just stay active, man. This market is very, very strange. We I, I'll leave you with this. the market, Bitcoin is at all-time high, but Google search for Bitcoin is at bear market levels. Jesus Christ. Do you know how insane that is? Guys, we're going to Valhalla. It's just going to take some time, right? It takes some time. It will take some time. So let's be patient. That's what I can tell you guys. So be patient. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget today, Monday, as usual. Thank you for all the support. Let me take my screenshot real quick. Let me take screenshots and post it to thank all of you for coming to show love. Let me see. It's funny. Okay. Looking at something, I'll just arrange some comments there. All right, cool. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another episode of the Crypto Hour Live. I'm here every day, Monday through Monday. Weekdays, it's 6 p.m. CST. I'm here. Okay, so guys, you guys enjoy your week. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, same time. Peace out, legends. You guys are awesome, man. And Silence, thank you for the offer, bro. I'll check out the info platform.